We up here at Innovative. Seeing this in person is super nice.
Actually, I'm just gonna take the time back because it is a little slight difference.
All right.
Now that I see it.
That's cool.
So we're just gonna swap out the whole
All right,
thing.
thanks. Nice. Prelude outside. A couple other cars. This bar is nice though. All right, we just left Innovative. I had to call my homie because my ass forgot my wallet. So this motherfucker got to give me some gas money. That's him. He just got this TSX right here. This shit is so nice. But I had to come to Innovative because when I bought my Innovative mounts, I bought the wrong mount kit. I bought a mount kit for a B series and I needed one for a D series. So that's what oh shit, nigga, right in front of the police. Right in front of the police. Fuck it though. But yeah. That was awkward. That was really awkward right there. But yeah. We I'll show you guys the mount kit when we get back to the house. So catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now we back at the house. Thank God. Good looking. My boy Drew coming in clutch because your boy forgot his wallet. And if it wasn't for you, I would have been ass the fuck out. Excuse my language, but I would have been in some deep doo-doo. But my boy Drew came through. I should have got his TSX on the on film, but I didn't. Sorry about that, but it's nice though. He just picked it up for about like 2,000, 2,200 or something like that. Something like that. But yeah, we was at Innovative. I bought the wrong mount kit. I bought the kit for a B series. And I needed a kit for a D series. So they're already unboxing, but they're still in the plastic. So let's take them out and get a good look at them. So here is the key bracket. Woo! Innovative, baby. Nice. Here's the cable to hydro kit. Yeah, I had the one for a B series for sure. This is most definitely for a D series. Kit is nice though. Haven't seen no reviews on these kits, but everything is real solid. It's the pivot ball right here. Real nice quality, Innovative, really nice. Pivot point. Really nice welds all the way around. Really nice stuff. This is the rear mount. I got 72A inserts. So these are good for like 400 to 5, if I'm correct. I think 400 horsepower though. 400 to 5, yeah. Really nice. Powder coat is real good. This is the bolt for the transmission mount. Here's the tranny mount. Really nice. The other the B series one looked identical to this, but it was still the same. The guy that was that helped me, real good guy, I forgot his name. Customer service at Innovative is real good. You know, some other people may think otherwise, but to me, they did me good. Yeah, they swapped my mounts right out for a fresh, brand new kit, like all the way around. They didn't just give me, you know, just swap out mounts. They swapped out the whole entire kit, and I like that a lot. Yeah, but the B series one may look similar to this one, but it's just these holes are a tad bit different. Slide off, and look at the welds. The welds are amazing, really nice. Real nice. And this is the passenger. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This is the driver's side. Nice. They have one like this one that's for 92 and lower engines, D series. And it looks similar. Tongue tie. It looks similar to this one, but it's not though. Still a little bit different. But yeah. So this is the kit, baby. This is the kit. I like it a lot. So, do I recommend Innovative mounts? Yes, I do. I like Hasport too. I like Hasport, but right now the Stihl Innovative mounts are awesome. And yeah, we will be I'm gonna try to get the head resurfaced today. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna see what's up on that. But yeah, big ups to Innovative. The little shop was cool. It would have been dope to have a little shop tour for the tube, but you know, I just wanted to get in there and get out. Had to wait a little bit for my boy to come give me some gas money. And yeah, this your boy SI Rico, and we almost there. Just gotta get the intercooler kit, gotta get the axles, and I gotta get a harness. I already bought the jumper harness. We still waiting for the 4-bore, and we still waiting for the turbo manifold flange, and I have to buy the injectors, the 1060 injectors, and then after that, baby, it's home free. It's home free. So, you know, just a quick little review, unboxing, you know, unplasticking, you know, the Innovative mounts and hydro conversion. So we back in the garage, and let's install the cable to hydro kit. Let's go. Now, for a little bit, I pre-installed this kit, right? And if you guys can see right here, this little glass bracket piece, I have to chop this off because here's the other piece right here. It wasn't letting this hole right here sit flush with the transmission. And you know, I was like, you know, I'm not finna just get into Innovative ass right now. You see what I'm saying? You know, they did me well with the customer service. So, you know, I was like, you know, maybe woo, but we can make this work though. So, you know, me, I always try to do stuff, but we chopped this off. This little bitty piece right here. Here's the other side right here. And it was sitting like this, like right there, and it was hitting against this part. So Innovative, y'all need to fix that right there, because you know, a person that's not like me and want to use all 3 mounts, you know, bad reviews start coming, bad mouthings start coming, but I'm not like that. But still love Innovative, love Hasport too. And yeah, so let me sit you guys down and let's get to the install. And I have not seen no one do a review or an install with this kit on YouTube at all, so I guess I'll be the first. So let me set you guys down and let's get to it. Take this top piece right here. We already have the bolts loosened already. Let me see if we got a good view. There we go. Yeah, perfect. So this on top part in. There we go. Then take your 17. don't tighten it all the way. Get this one down. This bracket right here is actually for the cable itself. Get that a little bit tightened, and go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't just go all the way tight, then tighten that one. Never do that. This one, a little bit tight. Then hit this one. Then hit this one. That's cool. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so now that's tightened. The bottom bracket. Already have the 210s. Loosen. This is actually my first cable to hydro kit I ever bought. So put that down. Actually, when you put these up right here and then you try to move this piece over, it would hit this right here. So make sure that's past that. And there we go. And then line the holes up. Oh yeah, put the other one in. Make sure you don't cross thread them. You don't want to do that, or you'll be in deep shit. All right, take the socket. Tighten these down. Go back and forth. Never just go fully tighten and then fully tighten. You don't want to do that. Go back and forth. Don't over tighten them. They don't need to be that tight. All right, perfect. Now take your pivot shaft. Take the pivot shaft. Put that through here. Make sure that your arm is all the way. This is adjustable right here, but we having it all the way down. Oh yeah. And then if you realize that you can't get it in, just move it back a little bit more. And then insert it. Like that. Oh yeah. Take your nut. Kind of wish I had a washer right here. I may just add one later, but yeah. And then, oh yeah, cable to hydro. Now let me show you guys how it looks. It's real nice. Now the piece I was talking about is that was right here. That piece right there. You see how far it is? There it is. See how far it is from the mountain point? Come on, innovative. What the fuck? Y'all been building mountains for like ever. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's like an inch and a half. That's like it's like half an inch, my boy. That's supposed to be like way over here. Like really supposed to be way over here, and y'all motherfuckers is right here. Like come on. But anyway. Mount kit is cool. Shit, I I could have even cut it, you know, shit. Like I could have cut all this off, honestly, but you know, I don't know. I may even do that. I may just slice this shit all the way right here, just bam, just to make it a lot more smaller than having all this extra stuff. But you know, I don't got enough material on my cutting wheel. I am going to reuse my boot when I want to tighten all this down. I will be reusing this right here. But yeah, surface of the deck is clean. Still got to get another dowel pin. I gotta order some of those. And yeah, that's the install of the innovative hydro to cable, or cable to hydro. Yeah, Bruce Lee over there. Shane Song. But yeah, this is the cable to hydro kit for the D series. I have one for a B series, but you know, obviously that didn't fit. But yeah, cable will come through, wrap around, bam, boom, easy. And that is that. Hope you guys liked the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. I may go resurface the head today, not sure. And we will be finishing up this bad boy. We're getting those done and getting this fucker tuned by my boy Brent soon. Sorry Brent, I've been lagging, man. I'm just working on this real quick, but I love you, my boy. I love you. But hopefully I'll be seeing you soon, Brent. You know, so you can tune this bad boy. And you know, rate, comment, subscribe, innovative, fix this damn bracket so you know y'all won't be having no bad reviews. But love the kit, love the mounts. Yeah, love the kit as a whole. And this is your boy SI Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.